Hi guys, welcome back to another layer breakdown video. In this video I will show you how I created this artwork from these stock images. Don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe if you enjoyed this. So let's jump straight to the video. First of all, dropped this stock images into Photoshop. Then I used a curve to bring down the highlights. Then I used color balance and hue and saturation layers to match the color with the background. After that I used a curve to make the shadow areas more darker. I added some lights along with outer glow effect. Then I added more glow by creating a solid color layer and linear dodge blending mode. I added some more lights to add more details in the subject. Then I applied tilt shift from blur gallery in the background layer. This will add more depth to the subject. And added a little reflection of the subject using blend if. After that I put a little light behind the subject. A little bit more. This will make the background elements far from the subject. And finally my favorite step, camera raw filter. This makes an artwork look much better. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have watched till here, feel very free to like and subscribe.